Hi there, this is another project that I'm working on. It's a fireplace mantel shelf, and I'm in the process of fabricating some steel brackets, and the reason being is I couldn't find anything off the shelf, so to fit this width of a board. So these will be really heavy duty 1/4 inch steel, and the way I do it is I'm just tacking it in place, and then I'll remove them and weld them up. So I'll show you guys how it will, sort of a little bit of a process, and then I'll mount it and I'll show you some shots of it installed. So I won't bore you with too much talking, so enjoy. And it had to go straight into a bucket with water. Now I wonder if I should edit that out or not. Okay. Still hot. Nothing a little grinding can't fix. So I'm happy with that. So all cleaned up, ready for the patina, and I will be using Presto Black PC9 by Sculpt Nouveau. And this is a sort of a Scotch-Brite so that's after applying the patina, and I like to burnish this. I like the burnished look So I'm going to burnish this a little bit. So this is going to highlight the grain, and that's the look I'm going for on this one. And I think that's pretty good. It doesn't need much. It's just to go over it really gently. That's it. Yeah. We'll give Odie's oil a try. See how this looks. I don't know if it's a little shiny, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, you guys get the idea. Okay, so all the parts are finished. I've got the brackets done, and they've got a patina on them. Also, the Odie's oil finish, and I like it. So this is the stuff. It's Odie's oil, and it's sort of like a wax oil finish. It goes on, and then after an hour you buff it right out. So this board right now, it's not buffed yet, so that's why it's a little bit more shiny. Once you buff it out, it becomes a little bit more satin, and this is the look I'm going after. These brackets, it's kind of ridiculous how much time it took to make these. I think if it would be pretty hard making a living making these, because they would be ridiculously expensive. For what they are, not like really expensive, but for what they are, I think it's just a lot of time. The nice thing about it is, though, I was able to make one slightly taller than the other, so they fit the board exactly as they should, and that's what makes it worthwhile. Plus, the other thing is you can't get them off the shelf, so that's it. Anyway, I'll put this together and I'll show you guys how it looks once it's installed. This is how it looks all finished. Well, just the mantle finished. And I think this came out really nice. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching.